Hi, I'm Brett, and here we are on Kiev Boulevard. Unfortunately, yesterday I noticed a squirrel that had a zip tie around his neck. And knowing that Jared and Ontario Wildlife would be the right go-to, we gave him a call. Jared showed up about 25 minutes ago, and we've set a trap. Already we've caught our little friend with the zip tie around his neck. So we're going to bring him out of the trap. We're going to cut that zip tie off, and he's going to be a happy squirrel. And I don't know what to say other than thank you to Ontario Wildlife and Jared for showing up so quickly and performing miracles. So here comes the little squirrel now in a trap. Again, it was amazing how quickly everything occurred. Here he comes now. He doesn't look very happy at this point, but he'll be happy when he loses his new collar. There he is, our friend, Mr. Squirrel. Wow. And he doesn't seem very happy about this whole affair. Oh, you're going to use, looks like tin snips is what you're going to use for cutting that off?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured we'd be using something heavy duty.
So,
Well, I'm a little concerned about this.
so what's he? Yeah, come in behind. Perfect. Yep, so here we go.
It's gone, my friend.
Hand off and pull that zip tie. Zip tie off him.
After he bites me?
Yeah.
It's
There we
gone.
go. It's gone.
The
You
zip
can
tie's
you
gone.
can
You're
release
free,
him
little
now.
buddy.
Free to go.
There you go. Whoa, he's free. A happy squirrel. Thank you. I really, really appreciate this, and I feel so wonderful about a squirrel not potentially hurting himself because of a zip tie.